All right. Got our kit out. Getting ready to assemble. And first order of business, I am going to go and do our backside, our secondaries. Make sure everything's nice and clean, which it is. Just a little scrapey. Right. Getting our components for our secondary circuit done. Secondary bowl all put together. Got our flow pack in. Our brand new clip on. Ready to go. Alright, got our secondary diaphragm all assembled. Remember to put your spring in first. Up in the top. A lot of guys will forget, like, why doesn't it work? And then have a spring on the table. That goes in first. Remember your little O-ring that goes in down here. This goes in first. There's another O-ring seal. Sometimes it's a little cork seal, but I put the O-rings in. It's easier, better. Our choke, you can see that works. Got that all in and mounted. I'm gonna do our base plate and our front bolt. Oh, wow, it's so much quieter when that thing turns off. All right, so plugging away. All right, getting the throttle plate on. Got our screws, put our fresh gasket in. Put that baby together. All right, primary metering block is still on. Our power valve in, our gasket metering block done. Floats in, got our clip in. Put this baby together. Bolts are on. I gotta do our idle screws, all that. It's getting late and we gotta go home. Right? We gotta go home. Yeah, we gotta go home. So we'll finish this tomorrow.